Hi guys, good morning. So today let us talk about self-compassion and self-forgiveness. What is meant by self-compassion? Actually, self-compassion is something like already I taught you. We are as four parts within ourselves: brain, mind, higher self, and divine self. Okay, in Tamil we call it as Buddhi, Manasu, Manasachi, Iraisachi. Okay, so this mind is called as inner child, your emotional side. Okay, so from small age we have deep desires within us. We have all our dreams. So all these dreams, deep desires, our characteristics and attitudes, all these put together packages who we are. Okay, so every human being who is born in this world always wants to live their deep desires and dreams in reality, isn't it? So but when our mind starts telling our deep desires to the brain actually goes and checks its in folder. If this person lives this deep desires in reality, what will be the future consequences? If the future consequences is going to be like, if the society will avoid you, or if the society won't accept you, or the society will start isolating you, or the society will reject you, if it is going to be like that, brain will never put a tick mark and make your dreams come true, make mind's dreams come true. So mind gets very much rejected. So the self compassion means, instead of this manipulation of the brain, instead of this, brain has to understand that the creation itself has created our mind deep desires only to, we have been born in this birth itself only to live that deep desires. So brain has to help for living that deep desires in reality. This eternal truth has to be taught to the brain. Okay, so and once this eternal truth has been understood by the brain, our inner child has to let freely be by its own self and free flowingly live as how it wishes. It should be allowed to make mistakes, it should be allowed to learn from its mistakes, it should be allowed to express its wishes, it should be allowed to admire whatever it likes in this life. It should be allowed to experience and enjoy what all it wants and what all it wishes. This is compassion towards our inner child. So how you treat a child when you see it in this physical reality, same way you have to treat your inner child also with lots of compassion. Okay, and what about self forgiveness? Self forgiveness is like, other people hurt us, okay, and we are very hurt and we are very angry upon them, we are very hurtful towards them, we carry that vengeance in our emotions. This emotional part is our inner child, isn't it? That is our mind. So that emotional part always feels heavy, always feels hurted, always has that toxicity, and it keeps on suffering from within. So forgiveness is not for the other people. Okay, he did something out of his foolishness, okay, that's only that much knowledge he has, let us forgive us. No, forgiveness is not for that. Forgiveness is for yourselves, to come out of your own sufferings, because just because that person hurt you, that person is living well only, but you are carrying that in your, and you are only suffering day and night. So come out of the suffering, and not to hurt your inner child anymore, and not to carry this heaviness or burden, frustration or vengeance in your emotions anymore. Just forgive that.